Hi everyone, it's Lynette with Charmed Grammy Crochet. Today is Saturday, June the 6th, 6/6/2020. And this is Charm Chatter number 63. And I want to thank, well, we're starting in the yarn room today. I know it's been a few days since I've been in the yarn room, and I'm telling you guys, it's a little crazy in here. I really need to crochet faster. Or put myself on a really and truly stop buying yarn thing. I have a really hard time with that. So, I don't know. I need to expand my room or crochet faster. The choices are getting limited. So, let's see. What do we got? How's everybody doing? The coronavirus is still strong and out there, but it looks like nobody cares anymore. Because everything's opening back up. I received news yesterday that my casino will be opening again in 2 weeks. If they're opening casinos and amusement parks, I think the only thing that they're not open yet is live sports activities outside, you know. At least that's here in Ohio. Like the baseball teams, I don't think have said, yep, come on to the fields. The baseball players are, I don't know, fighting. I don't know. I really don't watch the news. So, but like even Cedar Point, which is a big thing here in Northern Ohio, that's opening up. There'll be special protocols, whatever. And the casino will be opening up. I knew when they open amusement parks, they would open the casino at the same time. If you can go stand in a line there, you can sit at a card table, right? So, that's the big news here. I think the riots that have been going on for the last few days, I think those are finally settling down. And it looks like maybe for the rest of the summer, life is going to be fairly normal. That's a good thing. I'm kind of looking forward to some normal. How about you guys? I want to thank all of my subscribers, returning subscribers, new subscribers. I'm sure that you've all heard about the, what is it called? Hashtag Christmas in July Fairies. Make sure you click, search the hashtag Christmas in July Fairies and go to everybody's videos and enter, because you can enter in every single video for the grand prize. So I'm encouraging you to do that. Let's see, I did release the pattern for Amanda's Patriotic Blanket. I didn't check last day or so. I haven't really checked my email. So if you've emailed me and haven't received anything, we have a granddaughter here, and we don't see her often, so she's been taking out a great deal of my time. And I really haven't checked my email. And I've had some technological difficulties, so there's always that. I did film the first part of the tutorial with my daughter, Amanda. We filmed the part that makes the square. I really don't know how long that tutorial is going to be. It's taken me 3 days to get the thing to upload from my phone where I filmed it to my laptop so I can edit it. Because it's in several parts. Hopefully on Monday I will have it. I won't be doing it tomorrow. I have plans tomorrow. So hopefully, cross your fingers, sometime before I go to bed on Monday, that first part of the tutorial will be up. So that's the news. I haven't anything newly crocheted to show you, but as I said, my granddaughter is here. Her birthday is coming up. We went shopping. She needed a new bathing suit. She wanted a bathing suit and a hoodie for her birthday. So I said, okay, let's go shopping. So we went to this store called Ross. I don't know. I know that they have Ross in Florida, but I don't know if anybody else knows of Ross. That's the only place I've ever been to it. Well, they opened one not far from me. They just opened it. They had it. They were going to have a grand opening and like this coming up weekend, and Corona hit and no stores were allowed open. So now they are open. They opened, I don't know, recently. And I thought, I'm going to check it out. I'm telling you what, those prices in that store were really fabulous. They don't sell yarn, but they didn't have much stock. They still haven't gotten the store completely stocked. So then we went down to TJ Maxx, which also did not have a great deal of stock, but we did find her a bathing suit, a hoodie, and a purse between those two stores. So that was her birthday present. But in between the Ross over here and the TJ Maxx 365 feet away, according to Google Maps, because I didn't realize that TJ Maxx was in there. So we were in Ross, and I Googled where's the nearest TJ Maxx, and it said 365 feet. I went, oh, I forgot about that store. Guess what? When you cross the 365 feet, the store in the middle is Michael's. Guess where we stopped after? We parked by Ross, we passed Michael's, went to TJ Maxx, turned around to get back to the car, and had to stop in Michael's, right? Did I buy anything? Yes, I did. And then I brought it up to my yarn room and I said, where the heck are you going to put that? Don't know. But I tell you guys, I got the deal of deals and I want to share it with you. All that bull crap going on to get to this. So, Maddie decided that she wants me to make her a blanket. A year or two ago, I made all the little girls mermaid's tail blankets. All three of the little ones, and they all like the mermaid's tail blankets. But then, you know, Avery wanted that neon colored blanket I made, and then Ari was a little jealous that she got a blanket, and you know, her sister got a blanket and she did not. So then I started to make Ari's with the name in it. So then Maddie said, you never make me a blanket, you make them blankets all the time. I said, no, I've made them one fishtail blanket and now one other blanket, and if you'd like one, I will make you one. She said, okay, I want to go shopping in your yarn room. I said, okay, let's do that. But then in the meantime, we went to Michael's. And we really weren't looking, you know, I just like to look for a good deal. Well, Michael's had this, which I'm sure you're all familiar with. Oops, it's upside down for you. Red Heart Super Saver Ombre, and this is the color Scuba. Totally love it. And they had this on clearance for $4.97. Regular price $9.99. And Maddie said, "Ooh, I really like that. I want you to make me a blanket out of this. Do you have this at home?" I said, I have maybe one of this color, maybe none. I have a couple of these, but I don't buy them very often. I only get them when I could get them with like a 40 or 50% off coupon, because I'm not paying $10 for the yarn. Which I will tell you, this is, I'm pretty sure, 100% acrylic. It's 10 ounces, 482 yards, 444 meters, and I'm pretty sure it's 100% acrylic. And it does say that it is a number 4 weight, but it's a thin 4 if you ask me. But it would be too thick to be a 3. Anyway, I love the colors, right? Aren't they beautiful? So they had this, and I'm like, okay, I'll buy this and make you a blanket out of this. So I bought a few. I bought 4, actually. But then, above that, on the shelf, they had this color. Ooh, purple. Love it. This color is called Violet. Violet. It isn't that gorgeous. So they had these. Also, the 10-ounce skein at 482 yards. Same. This was marked regular price $3.69. I went, what? Are you kidding me? $3.69? No way. That's got to be wrong. So I looked at the little tag on the thingy, and, you know, on the shelf, it definitely said, it was in the right, I thought for sure this is in the wrong bin. It said Super Saver, Ombre, Violet. And I'm like, no way. That's wrong. That's wrong. So I looked at the other shelves that were empty of their Super Saver Ombre colors. They all said $3.69. I'm like, I know that's $10 yarn at Michael's. I know it is. This on clearance even says on the sticker $4.97, you know, clearance price $4.97, regular $9.99. So I put them in my cart, all of them, 4 of these, because I figured I need at least 4 to make her a blanket. And they had 4 of these, $4, less than $4. I gotta buy that. So I went to the scanner, and guess what? This one rang up at $3.69 on the scanner, and this one was $4.97. So as I am standing there going like this, I'm talking to my granddaughter. I'm like, this is really weird, isn't it, Maddie? She's like, yeah, Grammy. What does she know? Well, Shane just happened to be coming by there, the guy with the little nameplate on his little thing. And I said, Shane, this is marked $3.69. And he said, yeah, nice deal. He said, yeah, oh, you know, whatever. He didn't really say. I said, but this is on clearance for $4.97. And he says, well, yeah, sometimes they clear them out. And I said, yeah, but this is regular price $3.69. And this is clearance price $4.97. I said, the clearance price is higher than the regular price. And well, sometimes they clear out, you know, just one color or whatever. I'm like, Shane, the regular price one is less than the clearance priced one. I said, I would rather pay the regular price for this than the clearance price. So he did that one of those things, and he scanned and he scanned and he scanned, and he's like, well, that's odd. I said, yeah, I would much rather pay $3.96 for this than $4.97. Because I like the regular price better than your clearance price. So he went a little walkie-talkie, and he called the registers, and he said, this lady's coming up with this yarn. Give it to her for $3.96. The clearance price for $3.96 instead of $4.97. So I went to the register. She had to call Sean. And I got the clearance one for $3.96. Then I had a coupon for 20% off regular price. So they gave me 20% off of these. And I told the woman at the register, I said, I know that this yarn is supposed to be $10 a skein. This purple yarn is marked wrong. It's on your shelves, every one of them. I would have bought other colors had they had them. So, anyway, she said, you think so? So she rings this up, and it does say regular price for, you know, $10. What are they going to do? And she gave me 20% off of this one. I was like, that's the deal of deals there, buddy. So I was very excited, and I wanted to tell you about that, because I don't think those kind of deals very often. And I did bring it to their attention. I mean, I'm going to take the deal, but I did bring it to their attention that their shelving is all priced wrong. They've got an issue. They're going to be giving away $10 a skein. It's like, I want to go to the next Michael's and see if they're doing that there too, right? Because I've never used this particular kind of yarn, because I don't know, I just haven't gotten around to it, I guess, because I do have a couple of colors. I think I have a red and a pink. I don't know. But anyway, Maddie then decided that she wants a blanket made out of both colors. Like 2 of this and 2 of this. Which I think would kind of be cool for a 12-year-old girl. And maybe I have a bright pink one to go with it, which would even be awesomer. And just go like blue, pink, purple. Ooh, maybe I should check out what other colors I have of that, because that would be... I think I have a brown one. That won't work. But that could be kind of nice, right? I don't know what pattern yet. I don't know any of that. I told her she's, you know, I have to add her to the list of blankets I'm in the process of making. So she's cool with that. So that's all I got. Skeins of Ombre Super Saver. So if you guys know of a really cool blanket pattern that could use this yarn, I would be interested in knowing what that is. It has to be, you know, let's go with a tutorial. I don't want a written pattern. A tutorial with a written pattern would be cool. Because I'm really trying to learn to pattern read better. But I don't want to just try to follow the pattern, because I'll get frustrated, and I don't want to do that. So, that's what I got for you today. Thanks for watching, sharing, subscribing, listening, chatting, giving me ideas. Have a great and wonderful Saturday if you're watching this on Saturday, or whatever day it is that you are watching this on. It's a beautiful day. The pool is open. Maddie wants to swim. I gotta go. See you. Bye.